fallen warrior from the UST side, the veteran, Rhea Di Maculangan, icing that ankle. But enjoying herself here because her team's ahead 2-1.
She's just too happy to see Lauren Lantin filling up that vacancy.
Making, the most of the opportunity. And if UST wins this one, you have to go back to that play where she went down as a turning point for UST.
Yes, for both teams.
For both teams, positively and negatively. But right now, Ateneo is the one that's turning their fortunes around here in the fourth set. 9, serving 4.
And this is really what they should do. They should go to their veteran players, just get the momentum back to their side. Trust
their combination plays. Banaticla has been so efficient today.
Especially on that down-the-line hit. Banaticla scoring a lot.
Really taken over the role that Tabaquero used to play for them. Kasi iba naman yung Aiza Maiso eh.
Yes.
Iba naman yung role niya. Another combination play, no coverage. Uy, buhay pa! Oh. Let's see if Ateneo goes for the quick.
Oh, that was just too low
for
Nakachi.
It was a great idea though while UST was still scrambling.
Correct. Just poor execution on the side of Ateneo, but good idea.
Net block, yes. 6 serving 9. Bad reception. And this is what hurt Ateneo in set number 3.
Oh, but
check that
defense, yes, of Ateneo, Nakachi.
At saka she's been going cross-court, Kaya medyo na-check siya ni
Alam na nila that she has been varying her spikes. Pag nag-down the line siya, after that, mag-cross-court.
Matagal-tagal na wala si Hirotsuji.
Yes.
Nakalimutan na nga natin banggitin, Mosey.
It has been De Leon and Lastimosa inside.
But now, Coach Oji trying to pull out a rabbit because they're down 4. And they're going back. Another cross-court hit.
And the inconsistency in defense of Ateneo. Look at this. Only one blocker this time. Kanina, dalawa yung block eh. Diba?
Umatras kasi napakiramdaman nila, Banaticla was far from the net. No? Pero
so
Banaticla yan eh.
Oo kailangan. Tsaka mababa eh. Sharp yung spikes ni Banaticla.
Oh, correct. Hirotsuji comes in. That's too low. 2 errors.
That's right.
And they're letting UST back here in this match. Coach Roger Gorayev. Frustration for the second straight game for him.
And it's actually Jem Ferrer who is quite not herself in this last 3 sets.
She was holding on to her shoulder earlier. She was stomping on her foot. And the reception has been faulty again. And Gil apologizes to Jem. The lead is down to 1. Here come the Tigresses again.
It's now Z
and
Gretchen in front for Ateneo. Oh, and another poor reception.
Ateneo calls a timeout at 10-all. Their lead was at 4 earlier.
Kailan na maayos na sana yung nilalaro natin. Bigla na naman puro misreceive na naman yan. Ano ba naman yan? Napaka-elementary. Alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa takbo ng isip nyo. Sabihin ko man sa inyo na kaya ninyo. Pag nilagay nyo sa isip nyo na hindi nyo kaya, walang mangyayari.
Kaya natin ba?
Re-receive eh. Kailangan re-receive eh. Ano yung re-receive? Gagano mo lang. Kailangan nga natin maka-receive ng maayos. Hindi nyo pa receive eh. Ano ba yan?
Well, let's see. Give you an example of what Coach Roger is talking about. Eliza has a couple of errors also in the reception.
Unang-una, she's not in the proper stance to take it. Kaya kita mo sa side niya kinukuha.
Correct. That's a great shot from Direk Abet Ramos, by the way.
Just tells all the frustration
a picture
on the side of the Lady Eagles.
Pero Sujio just came in. Hindi talaga mamatay yung bola sa UST the last couple of sets. Quick set, and again it's there. Another chance for Ateneo.
Let's see. It was really a good idea, though, for Jeff Ferrer, although they take that point.
You'll take it. It's an
Yes.
ugly point, but you'll take it.
What? They will take whatever it comes their way. As you can see, Eliza Valdez going in. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niya mag-quick or going for that approach early on.
Still a rookie, Mosey. Ang dami pang matututunan nito. Ortiz puts it away.
Mike Ortiz using that veteran move again, making that Lauren Landin set look good.
Surviving without Rhea de Maculangan. 11 all. Kainglet is back at the front line, off speed. And again that ball finds its way to the other side. Morado, what a job here. The reflexes of UST have been so quick today. Kainglet. Chance here. Ortiz. Ferrer. Kainglet again, down the line.
Finally, Kainglet puts a stop on the rally by UST. Grabe yung defense of both teams. And they have been really trying to outsmart each other. That's why the crowd is really into this game, reacting in each and every possession.
She goes for the jump serve. Lastimosa. Great dive there. But a free ball for the Tigresses, who are down by 1 here. Ortiz. No coverage.
And even if Ateneo was able to read that, sending in 2 blockers for Micah Ortiz, that you'll see here once again, yung coverage wasn't there for Ateneo. A bit too late.
And this is the girl of the moment for UST.
Oh, Gretchen, oh, just saving that one.
Lazaro was there. Kainglet trying to return the favor. Look at that. This ball won't go away. Kainglet again, cross court, saving that ugly possession. And the fans are loving it here at the arena.
That's right, Kainglet, so smart at going cross court.
At malayong cross court.
Yes, sending it towards the back row.
Alam niya, nagkukumpul. Ateneo ahead by the skin of their teeth, 13-12.
Oh,
That's in.
and Caballero.
That's a first clean hit for her
Yes.
this whole match.
What a bomb. Coming from Judy Caballero, going down the line. Just so pretty.
The Laguna native putting that away to tie the match at 13. Nice serve. Combination play.
This is what we are talking about. Ateneo should really go for combination plays and risk it. Anyway, it worked for them in the first set, so they just have to have that confidence to just run it.
You know, one of the things that Coach Rogers said in training prior to this match, that his complaint about the Adamson game, he says that the Lady Eagles seem to have lost their passion and desire.
You really have to want it, eh? You have to. Kanina in the first set, you had that feeling.
Yeah. So let's see if they get that passion and desire back to win. Morado. Caballero. Ferrer quickly to Nakachi. Lantin saves it. Caballero again, single blocker.
And again, the defense of both teams.
See, this is again attacking the blocking of Ferrer. She is the weak link for the blockers of Ateneo here.
And it's just a simple game plan to use the smaller blocker to get your ball in if you were the spiker.
You know, I'm worried about how she looks right now because para siyang may iniinda eh. Ano, yung galaw niya eh.
Yes.
Ayan o,
Parang she's slower than usual.
she's definitely trying not to show it. Miscommunication between Kainglet and Lazaro, and again, the game is tied. Oh no, sorry. UST takes over the lead. Now the pressure is building here for the Lady Eagles. 6-1 against 4-3.
You know, they just have to have that confidence that they are in the second place, losing only one game. Get that.
It's a
you
mental
just have
thing.
to throw it. Yes, it's really mental.
You have to believe you're a better team. Parang ganon.
And you have to believe that you can close it out, drawing that inspiration from their last game.
And UST naman is believing that they're better than their team standing. That's what they're projecting here. Jesus is checked at the net. The lead is 2. Sorry, the lead is 1 at 16:15, second technical timeout.